New Day, Additional Financial Security. Ngayong araw, pag-uusapan natin ang PhilCare eAdvantage Plus for Kids. Meron tayong tatlong options, eAdvantage Plus 40, eAdvantage Plus 60, eAdvantage Plus 80. Isa-isahin natin. Ang annual cost ng eAdvantage Plus 40 ay 2,950, kapalit ng 40,000 ABL and wardroom. While eAdvantage Plus 60, ang annual cost niya is 3,950 kapalit ng 60,000 ABL and semi-private room. Samantala, ang eAdvantage Plus 80, ang annual cost niya is 4,950 kapalit ng 80,000 ABL and private room. So kanina nabanggit ko annual cost, pero tandaan natin itong eAdvantage Plus Kids ay isang single-use coverage. Ibig sabihin, kapag nagamit na natin, expired na yung card. So ngayon, ginawa ko yung video September 14, 2025. So kapag na-approve yung card natin, valid siya up to September 14, 2026. Kaya annual cost yung ginamit ko na term. Ang kapalit nito is 40,000 ABL, 60,000 ABL, and 80,000 ABL. Ano ba yung ABL? Ito yung annual benefit limit. Dahil nga isa itong single-use coverage, ang pwedeng bayaran ni PhilCare sa ating consultation or check-up, maximum 40,000, 60,000, and 80,000 depende kung anong card yung ating binili. Ano ba ang mga covered illnesses? Ang covered illnesses nito ay viral, bacterial, and any injuries resulting from accidents. Then yung card, yung ABL, pwede natin siyang pambayad sa room and board ng ating pasyente, doctor's fee, laboratory, medicines, diagnostics, basta related siya sa viral, bacterial, and injuries resulting from accident. Tandaan lang natin, hindi kasama dito ang pre-existing conditions, maternity, and mental-related illnesses. Pero aside dito sa coverage na to, meron din siyang additional benefit na 50,000 AD&D. Anong ibig sabihin nito? If the cause of death of the policyholder is accident, may matatanggap ang kanyang beneficiary na 50,000 pesos. And if there are disablement or dismemberment, may maximum 50,000 din na matatanggap ang beneficiary. Kung meron kang karagdagang katanungan tungkol sa product na ito, mag-message lang. Maraming salamat!